If you do any affiliate marketing, you know how hard it can be to come up with an ad creative that actually converts. Well, today I want to show you exactly how to find out what type of ad you need to be running on YouTube, exactly what to say in it, and even what you can model your landing page after with just a few clicks. And the cool thing is, this works for any affiliate product that you want to promote. So let's go ahead and jump over to my computer and I'm going to show you exactly how we use our proprietary software to dig into specific affiliate products and figure out what exactly we need to say on our ads. So we're going to jump over to ClickBank. We're going to go over to their giant marketplace they have, and I'm just going to go to advanced search on the products, and I'm going to turn this up to items with a gravity over 1, just so we know, hey, these are products that are actually converting. They're going to have people running ads to them, right? So the top one over here is Java Burn. Then we have like Dent Knox, a few other ones. I'm just gonna go with Java Burn, right? So let's look at Java Burn right here. So we're gonna come over to Video Ad Vault. We're gonna go to the search ads, and I'm just gonna type in Java Burn. And this should pull up some ads. We're sorting by most recently seen. And here we go. So we found, and I'm also sorting these by number of views. So you can see we have a few here, 36,000. That's actually a little older. These stopped running. These actually only ran for like 2 days. So I don't think that that's the best. These are a little older. So let me actually just take that space out. Sometimes people title their ads weird. So type in Java Burn. See if we can find anything else here. There we go. Now we have a ton of ads for Java Burn. It seems that people don't put spaces in their ad titles, right? So here's one, 1.7 or 1.17 million views. Very, it was seen in like 2021, but still, that's a ton of ads that these people have been running. We can actually see when these things were last seen. Here we go. Here's some ones that are actually running right now. And my healthy living guide seems to be, or amazing health research, it seems to be the ones they're pushing to. We can see all these split tests. So, I mean, 1.1 million views. Clearly this thing works, right? So let's click play. We can see exactly what's going on here.
£46 in 2 weeks. If you're over 25 and struggle, but that weight gain problems capacity.
All right, so they're not actually talking about Java Burn. So we can basically see this is a pretty simple ad, slideshow type, robot voice over it. We can model what's working there, and you can see 1.1 million views. We can also see where they're pushing to. What is their landing page? Strange new coffee method burns 46 pounds in 2 weeks. Okay, before 10 a.m. whatever. So you can see what they're pushing to. Click here to watch the video, which these are just affiliate links, obviously. You can see in the bottom right left-hand corner, it's a ClickBank hop link, so we know that's a ClickBank offer. Also, we found it on ClickBank. And we can actually click this plus button, and we can see here's when they stopped running it, but they were like rapidly ramping up until the end of November. And we can also find more ads from this channel, right? Boom, so we can see all the ads these people are running. We can dig in a little more and see what are they actually running right now. They are running some kind of eye offer, it seems, but they also have a lot of fat or weight loss offers. BB Ocean, they're running Java Burn, a bunch of things like this. So that these people are clearly, this is just an affiliate marketing channel. We can see where they're pushing to, all that good stuff. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to click this plus button. I'm actually going to add this channel to the watched channels, right? Now, every time, because I know they're pushing out good, good things there. So amazing health research right here. Here's my watch channels. Now over here, I'm actually going to be able to get email alerts daily every time these people roll out a new offer, and I'll be able to jump on it right away because it clearly looks like these people know what they're doing with these ads. They're pushing out winning offers pretty often, especially with like 2 million views on this. So this is actually a great way to find ads that are working in affiliate marketing. So as you can see, it's extremely easy to find any ad for any affiliate product and figure out exactly what's working and what's not. And once you do that, you have a much higher success rate and a much higher chance of having a profitable ad right out of the gate instead of testing and spending money and time trying to figure out what's working. Now, we did use Video Ad Vault in that video that I was just showing you. So underneath this video, I actually have a link to Video Ad Vault, and you can sign up for a free trial, absolutely no money down. You get 7 days full access to the software where you can poke around, see what you can come up with, and hopefully launch a successful campaign or two in the next 7 days. That's it for me on this one. Bye for now.